Hey, we're at Jade Gardens. Waiting for screenshot to you later. Joanne, we're texting Suzanne.
Hanapin ko his number. Ito ko.
Sue! Hello! Hindi ko nilalapit, ah.
Ayan, number niya. Ayan ang number
Suzanne.
niya.
And there's Alfonso.
Alfonso, sorry ha. Kasi the agent is texting me.
My brother, my good-looking brother-in-law.
Kasi COVID. Gano'n na lang.
I'm trying to figure out which actor you look like.
She passed away last year.
John Michael Vincent.
Darling, you're way more good looking.
John Michael Vincent. This is John, my nephew. Mukhang artista, oh.
Hey, it's nice to see you.
She didn't really have a boyfriend.
And the girlfriend, Lexi Payumo. Hi, Lexi.
You do yoga?
You're on video. Hi, Ala. Hello.
Hi, sweetie.
Ala, pumayat ka na. Tumaba si Ala, nakita mo ba? Grabe, no? Sandy, there's Sandy. There's Ala.
I'll just reintroduce myself. I'm
Susan.
Compared. Even by
Kukuha ka?
Oo, syempre.
okay naman daw.
Joanne.
Okay naman siya. Nothing serious. Pero picture taking.
Nag-take ako.